behind the scenes. This is nothing related to art or anything like that, but I have my beautiful car here that I flew across the country for. I love, 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 love. Been trying to find this for about 7 years. And I just finished detailing her. So she is all nice and glossy. I know this has had nothing to do with art, but I just want to show her off because she is so, so, so nice. And yes, it's a Saturn. So I'm going to do a quick Instagram reel to show this off and everything, do a little unboxing, and then from there, going to move her outside into the beautiful, beautiful weather here in the Midwest. So, yeah. I won this beautiful car cover still in the box from eBay. Even has it right here from the Saturn of Denver for this beauty right here that has survived 30 years and remains to do so. I just finished detailing the whole thing. You can see everything. And to protect it from this lovely weather we have out here. Anyways, we're going to ceremoniously open this box and we're going to put it on her and put her outside. Yeah. Don't know if y'all can read that. That says car cover unit storage, made in the US, April 1998, Saturn Corp, Spring Hill, Tennessee. Fine, and it's fitted for my beautiful car. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing of this, shall we? Good luck. So now let's move to the outdoors where my car is going to be at. Also, the car has moved. Look what I found. I didn't realize it came with this. Inside here, it has the instructions for the Saturn Technolon 2 warranty, and it has a cover or a bag. And I'm assuming that was to tie it up. Perfect.